Convert your bathroom into a luxury spa-like retreat with the Kartell KV6 sliding shower enclosure. This impressive 1100 by 760 mm shower enclosure will revolutionize your daily routine. Imagine stepping into a sleek, spacious shower that is as stylish as it is practical. The 1,100 mm sliding door moves effortlessly, saving valuable space in your bathroom. No more awkward door swings. Paired with a 760 mm frameless side panel, this enclosure creates an open, airy ambience that will make your bathroom feel more extensive and more welcoming. The lovely chrome finish adds a touch of elegance, and the 6 mm thick safety glass ensures durability and peace of mind. Say goodbye to water splashes and welcome a perfectly contained shower experience. The Kartell KV6 takes care of everything with easy access and simple cleaning. Other sizes are available to fit your needs perfectly. Elevate your bathroom today with the Kartell KV6 sliding shower enclosure and start each day feeling like you're in a luxury resort. Discover this and the rest of the Kartell shower enclosures range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.